Tired of workouts that feel like a chore? Let's explore how intuitive fitness can help you move smarter, feel stronger, and actually enjoy your routine. Functional fitness is all about movements that you already use daily, like lifting, bending, and reaching. It's fitness with a purpose, designed for real life. Your body knows what it needs. Intuitive fitness is about tuning into those signals and creating a routine that works with your body, not against it. Start by noticing how your body moves naturally. Are you flexible? Strong? Take note, because this is where your personalized fitness journey begins. Skip the trends and pick the exercises that feel good for you. Whether it's walking, yoga, or kettlebell swings, find what energizes and excites you. Feeling unstoppable? Go for it. Feeling sluggish? Take it slow. Intuitive fitness is about working with your energy, not pushing past it. Let progress happen naturally. Add more reps, weight, or time when it feels right, not because a program says you have to. Recovery is just as important as exercise. Listen to your body when it needs rest. It's not slacking, it's smart fitness. Every step forward is worth celebrating. Whether it's mastering a movement or simply showing up, those wins add up to big changes. Ready to build a fitness routine that fits your life? Trust your instincts, move with intention, and let your body guide you to stronger, happier days. Move smarter. Feel stronger.